welcome back to my channel. November has begun, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Southern Pecan Pralines. These are sweet, delicious, perfect for this time of year, and they make great holiday gifts. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the Southern Pecan Pralines, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 1/4 cups of pecan halves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a medium saucepan, add the sugar, light brown sugar, heavy cream, baking soda, and butter over medium heat and stir regularly until the mixture begins to foam and boil. When it begins to foam and boil, stir consistently until it reaches 236 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove it from the stove and add the pecans, salt, and vanilla extract. With a rubber spatula, stir vigorously for about 3.5 minutes or until the mixture begins to thicken. Just be careful that the longer you stir, the thicker the mixture will get and it will be hard to scoop the pralines. Scoop a heavy tablespoon of the mixture onto a parchment paper or a silmat. Allow them to cool and firm, and now you have some sweet, delicious Southern Pecan Pralines for the fall holiday season. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making these pecan pralines. They were simple to make, and they made the kitchen smell amazing. If you recreate the Southern Pecan Pralines or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your Southern Pecan Pralines and have a great day. Bye!